Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to take you guys through cutting off a pair of my jeans at the hem. I've had a lot of questions about this. I do this to a lot of my jeans. I just like more raw hem and I just do it myself. It's not a big thing, but obviously you want to get it right because you don't want to ruin like a $200 pair of jeans. So step one is wash your jeans. Jeans will shrink up even just a little bit when you wash them. By the way, I never dry my jeans. I just hang them to dry, but they will shrink up just a little bit and you don't want to cut them off and then have them a little bit too short. So step one, wash your jeans. These are freshly washed jeans. These are my agolde Riley jeans. They have stretch in them and they're so comfortable. They are my favorite jeans and I think they're super flattering too. They're actually not a bad length. I do like to have my jeans hit at the smallest part of my ankle. I find that that looks really good with booties. That's even a little bit too high, I think. So I'm basically just cutting off the finished edge on this pair of jeans. And you always want to cut less off first, try them on, see what they look like. So the second thing that I'll do is put them on and figure out exactly where I want to cut them off and roll them up to that point. The next thing you want to do is put them out on a flat, clean surface. And yes, I'm just doing this without my pants on. Make sure that this crotch seam is perfectly lined up so that the jeans are even more so important than the top part, in my opinion. Make sure they're really flat. Let's get cutting. So you want to take a pretty good pair of scissors that will cut through denim. If you have shitty scissors, then it's going to make the hems jagged. And all I'm going to do is just cut off the very bottom hem for this one. Once they're on, it's not as big of a deal if they're not like perfectly straight. And then what I'm going to do is just like rough up the hem with my hands. And this will get more and more worn the more that you wear them. So then I'm going to flip them over. That's why you want to have a clean surface. And do the same thing to the other side. You can use this as a guideline, but since I'm basically using this part as a guideline, I don't need it. So once you've cut, put them on to check the length. I think these are pretty good. You want to remember that when you move around and like and like bend down and stuff, that your jeans do ride up a little bit. So you want to keep that in mind. I could go like slightly shorter, but I think I'm going to try this for now. And if I need to, I can always cut off a little bit. That's pretty much it. It's super easy. You just want to have a pretty steady hand if you can. Make sure you get a really good pair of scissors. I actually should just buy a pair of like sewing shears. I have some at home in Vancouver, but I don't have them here. That'll make a really big difference when cutting your jeans, and you won't get any of the jaggedness that like shitty scissors will give you. Like, you really don't want to ruin your nice pair of jeans. And then the last step that I do is, if you have a sewing machine, again, mine is in Vancouver, but I will sew this myself or take these to a tailor. Just get a hem put like right next to the bottom of the pant, just so that they don't start like fraying up too high. So you just want a little bit of fraying, so you can just put it like maybe like half an inch, no, not even half an inch, like a 1/4 of an inch above the seam in the same color, and you won't even see them. I just put the jeans on with a pair of boots just to show you. I think they're a pretty good length, although I think I'll wear them for a few days before deciding if I'm gonna cut them any shorter. So I hope that this video was helpful for you guys. If you have any other questions, please let me know in the comments. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. Let me know. If you want to see any other kind of like fashion tailor videos, I don't even know what to call this, then let me know in the comments as well. Thanks for watching Vlogmas, and I'll see you tomorrow.